Okay, so what is Git? Git is version control software. It allows you to take your code, make a copy of it, make some changes, and then compare the copy to the original, and then merge the two together so that you keep the parts you want to keep of your changes and you keep the parts you want to keep of the original, and everything will still work smoothly. To show you this in action, I'm going to show you a project that I worked on recently. So I'm going to share my screen. And here you can see um, this is an example of what Git does. I added some comments, added some console, I added a log statement, I sent a message, and over here, this is the original. Here it's saying, hey, you added some things, and that's in green, and saying, here are some things you removed, and that's in red. You can see it if you compare another file. You can see things I added and removed. Um, so how does it do that? Well, the way it does that is here is my folder. So this contains all of my project. If you click on front end, um, you can see all of the files that I used in this project. So we're in the project. If you come here and click View on a Windows and then click Hidden Items, you'll see that there is a new hidden item here called Get. When you create when you start using Get, it will start tracking changes. And it does this with a hidden folder. In this folder, it has a whole bunch of files that help it keep track of what changes you made to which files. And because it did that, um, it can show you all of the changes that you made to this file, when you made them, who made them, and you can even roll those changes back. So right here, I can see that I've got some old changes that I removed, some new changes that I added, and that is the power of Git.